Today I am going to tell you how to insert green screen subscribe button to your YouTube video. Now open the original video to the KineMaster. This is the video we are going to insert subscribe button. Now next step is insert the green screen subscribe button onto your original video. There are so many green screen subscribe buttons in the internet, but some of them are covered under copyright laws. In that case, you have to get owner's permission before download and use. There are some Creative Commons licensed videos also. You can use those by doing small changes to the videos or displaying owner's name in the description area of your video. Before downloading any videos from the YouTube, make sure to check copyright policies. Violating those policies could result in your channel being terminated. This green screen subscribe button video is a no copyright video which I downloaded from the YouTube. As you can see, this subscribe button has green background in this video. That's why we are calling it as green screen subscribe button. We need to remove that background using chroma key in KineMaster app. Here is how we do that. Now you can see that green background is not there anymore, and the subscribe button is clearly visible now. You can adjust the size of that by using 2 fingers. If you find this video is really interesting and important to you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.